Now let's take our knowledge of function tables and pair that with ordered pairs. Here I see a function table and I also have a graph, and I'm going to take ordered pairs from that function table and graph them onto this graph. So I'm going to look at that function table and think about the ordered pairs that I see with every set of x and y. I want to remind myself that x represents the first number in an ordered pair and y represents the second number. And then x will tell me how many spaces from the origin of this coordinate plane I'll move horizontally, and then y tells us how many spaces from the origin of the coordinate plane we'll move vertically. So let's think about placing these ordered pairs on this coordinate plane. First, I see -5 and -3. So if I write that as an ordered pair, you can see I wrote it right there, -5, -3. Let's focus on the -5. That tells me I'm going to move -5 spaces from the origin horizontally, and then -3 spaces from the origin vertically. So if I'm going to plot that ordered pair, I would put a red dot right there. Now let's look at my second x and y. There I see 2, -2. That means I'm going to move 2 horizontally from the origin and -2 vertically from the origin. So there I've plotted 2, -2. Then what's my next set of x and y? Well, it's 6, 3. That means I'll move 6 horizontally and 3 vertically. That ends up here. So then I've plotted 6, 3 on the coordinate plane. So that was an example with both positive and negative integers. Your students might be ready for that, they might not. You could also do this activity with positive integers only. So now I'd like you to do activity 3, where you explore function tables and ordered pairs.